हेलो वेलकम लवलीज टू zarahutkeblog.com। सबसे पहले मेरा लुक देखिए, आपको कैसा लग रहा है। इफ़ यू लाइक माई लुक से ये इन द कमेंट बिलो, एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू सी अ वीडियो ऑफ दिस मेक ओवर देन अगेन पुट अ कमेंट बिलो। आई एम लुकिंग, आपके कमेंट्स के बेसिस पे आई एम गोइंग टू थिंक वेदर आई वांट टू पुट दैट ब्लॉग और नॉट, बट जस्ट शेयर विद मी हाउ डज दिस लुक। This is a new range of cosmetics, so I'm waiting for your comment, guys. And I have another unboxing today. My Glamico box is here. So yes, I have subscribed to Glamico box this month. So let's see what's inside my box. This is how the box looks. I like the color. My previous Glamigo boxes were all plain, so I have not subscribed to them in between. But this looks awesome and completely perfect for the Diwali season. Just look at the box, guys. It looks so great. So this is how the box looks from inside. So let me just share with you what I have got. So this is the info card. It says elegance is timeless. That's true. Elegance is timeless. So I've got 4 products this month. So let's get starting. Got a coupon also. So this is for Aroma Magic products. I get a 20% off if I use the code GLAM20. And yes, sorry, I forgot. And it's also applicable for the Nature's Co product, 250 off. There's a contest which they are running. Okay, so if I post an image with the October Glamico box, I have chance to win 6,500 worth rupees lipsticks, guys. Oh, look at this. This is what the products are in my box. So the first product which I see here is the Inveda body butter cream, and the winters are coming, and this is like my go-to product. Winters and my dry skin, just it's like the bottles of Vaseline, all the body lotions just get empty week over week. So this is a must. So I really thank Glamigo box for sending me this product. This is how it looks from inside. It's an almond and vanilla body butter. Smells divine, and it's a good quantity of the product as well, and will last me for a good period of time. And plus it's from Inveda, which is a completely skin friendly brand. It's herbal and uses herbal products, so will suit my skin, won't harm my skin, and it suits for, and it says it's for all skin types, so a must. Next product I've got is this Chronocare Shea Gel, which is Caribbean ginger. I've used this product before, so it's the same gingery smell. So I've used this product before and it's a good product. The third product I've got is this Chronocare Glycerine Soap. Again, glycerine soaps in the winter season are very good for the skin. It hydrates your skin and keeps it moisturized. So, and it's travel friendly too. So fourth product is this Monsub 3-in-1 mask, and it's a 3D hanging earring face and neck mask, plus it's a pearl revitalizing mask from face to neck, complete skin care. Oh, I'm already very excited. Diwali is coming and this is perfect for that. Next product is this lip balm from Nature's Co, and it says vanilla lip butter. This is how the product looks. It's like Vaseline, smells vanilla flavor, and it's a full size product. Next product is from Aroma Magic. This is white tea chamomile face wash for everyday pollution cleaner, pollution defense, and let me just, it says it's for all skin types. Okay, it has a it's the chamomile fragrance is very mild in this. All right, and it's 100% paraben soap, alcohol free, which is very good, worth $80. I really like this product. It's a full size product again. My last product is this lip crayon chubby stick from Bella Voste. It's the ultimate chubby stick, and the shade name is Hypnotic Rose. Oh yeah. Alright, so this is how it looks, and I'll just swatch it for you guys. So this is how the shade looks, and yes, the camera is kind of picking up the actual color. It's not very red, it's not very pink, but a very nice shade, and it's again a full size product, and it's 3.8 gram. I really quite like the product, and this is for 4.99. Guys, your box is 399 rupees. This product is 499 rupees. So one product says it does it all. Alright, so, and I've got so many products. So I've got one lipstick full size, I've got one facial mask full size, I've got a face wash full size, I've got a lip, but a lip butter full size, and this is also quite, and this is again a full size product. I think it's not mentioned anywhere, but I assume this is again a full size product, and two deluxe. This is two deluxe sample sizes. It's worth, guys. It's just so worth. If you're looking something for yourself in which suits your pocket, this is a must buy for you guys. I'm so happy with the October Glamigo box. I'm very excited to use all the products. You can either buy it for yourself or gift it this season to your friends and family. But if you really want to hear, if you want to listen to me, I think you should just buy it for yourself. All the products are worth buying. Keep watching my channel for more videos. Subscribe, click on the bell notifications that you get my videos, you get the notification for my videos. Follow me on my social media, and keep subscribe for more wonderful videos. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Glamigo Diwali.